This is Uncle Bonzo, and Uncle Bonzo has a huge problem. You see, Bonzo's jungle is buried under billions of bananas in debt. Exactly 37 trillion bananas. That's 1,000 times more bananas than all the monkeys on Earth own. Maybe even more than the stars in the sky. Every year, Bonzo collects bananas from the working monkeys in the jungle. These are taxes. The bananas are used to fix roads, feed soldiers, and provide healthcare. In short, these bananas keep the jungle running. But here's the issue. Bonzo spends more bananas than he collects every year. When that happens, the jungle runs a deficit, meaning the collected bananas aren't enough to cover the expenses. So what does Bonzo do? Of course, he borrows. "I'll pay it later," he says. But that later never seems to come. So who gives Bonzo all these bananas? Some come from jungle banks, some from investment funds, even Grandma Monkey's retirement bananas are involved. These banana debts are kept in papers called Treasury Banana Bonds. But there's also an international side. Pandalia, Turkmenistan, and the land of the European bears all lend bananas to Bonzo. Because for many years, Bonzo was known as a trustworthy borrower. But now, the mountain of debt is growing dangerously fast. And the bigger the debt gets, the more interest must be paid. Bonzo now sends billions of bananas every year just for interest. He can't even touch the original debt. It's like a snowball, growing and growing and growing. Some banana bonds are bought by the Jungle Reserve. They print new bananas. Digital bananas. This makes it easier for Bonzo to borrow, but some monkeys say this just encourages laziness. So how does this banana debt jungle affect us? Fewer schools, fewer roads, fewer bananas, or higher taxes. In short, we're all living in the same jungle as Bonzo. So be careful. One day, the bananas might slip right out of your hands. Every year, Bonzo collects bananas from the working monkeys in the jungle. These are taxes. The bananas fix roads, feed soldiers, and support healthcare. In short, they keep the jungle alive. But here's the problem. Bonzo spends more bananas than he collects. So watch out, my friend. One day, those bananas might really slip out of your hands. Luckily, Bonzo hasn't slipped on a banana peel yet. This is Brain Bananas. Think bananas, laugh bananas.
Abone olmayı unutmayın. Abone olmayı unutmayın.